Welcome to Ask the Attorney. I'm Mary Wilson, and I am joined, as always, by Attorney John Haymond. John, how are you?
I'm fine. Good to be here, Mary.
Well, we're glad to have you, as always. Let's get into our question here. It comes from Arthur, and he asks, Attorney Haymond, my father was injured in a motorcycle accident when a delivery truck stopped in front of him at a green light to let a car into the road. I know that the cardinal rule is to give sufficient space so that you have time to react, but this seems to be a unique situation. Is there anything we can do because his injuries are very severe?
Absolutely, there are things we can do. Notwithstanding the fact that the presumption in the law is that somebody who hits another person from behind is at fault for causing that accident. And in fact, the only defense to hitting somebody from behind is a sudden stop. How do we overcome cases like this? We went to the yard where the motorcycle was being stored, because they're always put in a yard after an accident, especially due to a serious injury. We went there with a licensed mechanic, and the licensed mechanic looked at that motorcycle and determined that the motorcycle was in second gear. You can't go any faster than 19 miles an hour in second gear, oftentimes 6 gears on a motorcycle. So clearly this person wasn't speeding, because you can't be following too closely going 15, 16 miles an hour.
Do you often find that it is the motorcyclist that is unfairly blamed when there are crashes, when truly it's usually the motorist who's at fault?
Well, regrettably, we often find that prejudice still exists against motorcyclists and motorcycles. There is a perception that because they're louder than cars, that they're automatically speeding. Loud noise doesn't translate into speed. Loud noise by the muffler is to protect the motorcyclist and forewarn the oncoming traffic that there is a motorcyclist around. But that doesn't mean there's speed.
That's right. Well, if you have a question to ask the attorney, you can call 1-800-HAYMOND or go to haymondlaw.com. John, thank you.